go. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am making a really fun video with my siblings. We are going to be making Nickelodeon slime, and if you don't know what that is, I'm going to Google some pictures for you guys. Nickelodeon slime. Able to see it. So what it is, it's a slime. It's a really sticky green slime. So this isn't going to be like those regular Instagram slimes. This is going to be really fun because at the end of the video we are going to dump this all over my brother's head. And yes, this is my dog Myrtle.
My dog.
My dog. So here's the picture of someone getting Nickelodeon slime dumped on their head. Slime dumped on their head. See it, but yeah. So anyway guys, this is only a 2-ingredient slime, no glue, super easy. That's why I'm really excited to show it to you guys today. So anyway, let's get out to it. The only 2 ingredients you're going to be needing for this really cool slime is a bar of soap and water. And yes, that's literally it. So you're just going to take your bar of soap and shred it as finely as you can. It can be a little bit tricky. So if you are under 12, please have a parent help you with this. If you are done shredding up your soap, it should look like this, and if you have any large chunks, just go in with your hands and just kind of break it up. Okay, so now I have a pot on my stove, and we are going to melt the soap in water. So I have a half a cup of soap here, and I'm also going to be adding 2 whole cups of water. So now you're just going to turn on your stove medium. And you're just going to constantly keep mixing it up until all the soap particles dissolve. Again, if you are young, please have a parent help you with this. So this process should take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how much you are making. So now when all your soap is dissolved, we are going to pour it into a separate bowl. Alright, so now we're going to pour our soap into a separate bowl, and please be super careful because this is really, really hot.
That is a lot.
Okay.
I get this.
Okay. If you want, you can add some food dye. Just if you are planning to pour this on someone like out of surprise, you might not want to dye it or it might dye their clothes. But if you only use a little bit... You said I could do it. Oh, sorry. But if you only use a little bit, it shouldn't be too bad, especially if you're using, like, ratty clothes. I was thinking maybe 2 drops. So now what you want to do is you want to put a cap on it and let it sit in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. But not too long, or otherwise it'll become cold and hard. So the slime has been in the refrigerator for about 25 minutes, and I realized that it's definitely going to take a bit longer than I thought for it to harden up, but it's definitely thicker, so I'm just going to keep putting it in the fridge, and I'll tell you how long it took when it is done. So our iconic Nickelodeon slime is done. It is so slimy. So now my brother is ready to get slimed.
I'm gonna die.
So now Kyle's gonna get slimed.
Oh, this is so goofy. Ah. Ooh, that's cool though. It's kind of cool.
Laura. I'll put it on your slime.